Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 3 of curriculum. This week's assignments involve watching a video on academic language and writing a paper on academic language and language demand, which is due on Thursday. This paper is using the same reading response rubric that was used for this week. This week, when you wrote about standards, your papers were excellent. The content of them was extremely good. It was good to see everybody looking at the whole picture and what standards mean to teachers and the good points and the bad points about the standards and how they're going to affect you in your area of endorsement or certification. Now, there are a couple things that I wanted to point out to you. In general, we had a few people that did single spacing instead of double spacing. It is an APA response based upon the reading response rubric. And some people had just one, some people had no resources, some people had one. Remember that for this reading response rubric, you need two resources for it to be counted for 100% in the APA section. So you'll be watching this guy talk to you about the language in your discipline or academic language, and then turning in your academic paper here. So other than what I needed to tell you about what I saw in this week's papers, I don't really have anything else special to share with you before you do this particular assignment. Just let me know, as always, if you have any questions or concerns. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week and a great week 3 of class.